Alina Bicar, make that third straight start for her. Coming off a 19 excellent set performance in their very first win of the Reinforced Conference. Batista got it.
Quick recovery there from Uni Batista after getting blocked the first time. He just hit it off the hands of the blocker. The succeeding round of the Reinforced Conference.
Well, there's no way right now the Tigo EV crossovers are going to make it to the top 3 after round 1. They'll finish at the bottom 3, but they're still going to make it to the next round, that's for sure. That's on the line for Batista. And they finished third twice, second once, if I'm not mistaken, in 2025. And still, it's one of their worst years. They haven't won a championship yet. And they're in the middle of the pack, so to speak. Good dig coming from Atienza, who missed the last 2 games for the Cool Smashers. Batista tries again, and this time will get the side out.
That's the perfect set. That fast C set to the left pin.
Loss against the Thunderbell, she had 11 points, including 3 blocks. 3 of 9 blocks by the team. Left-handed shot coming from Batista. The reverse set, Bumabaw with a hit. Nierva to Batista against 2 blockers, no problem.
It was already obvious that the ball was going to be set to put pressure on the receivers of Cherry Tigo.
Reception has been an issue here for the Tigo EV crossovers. Looking for their first 2-point lead today. Not there yet. Now a chance to tie. Batista going up. And that be going over. Bicar. This time to Galang. Cross court. Rejected. Bicar all the way out to Batista again. Schwan keeping it alive. Atienza one-handed pass. Carlos with an easy over. Another opportunity to put it away. Combination play. Batista got it. Game is tied at 14.
Uni Batista is getting a lot of attempts. He's working hard. Already has 6 points in this first set. Abby Maraño and Uni Batista, and most of the balls have been sent to the left pin.
Batista. Oh, Atienza, this one getting away and will not come back. Batista with her 8-point. Bad pass. Off-system play for the Cool Smashers. There's a dig by Robles. Batista looking for the win. Got it. Back-to-back points for Uni Batista in the first set. Belongs to Cherry EV. Crossover. 7 points. 8-1. Set number 2. Batista looking for the side out is finally there. Gamit serving. Robles will get it back. Blocked. Batista with coverage. Robles again blocked. Nierva to the pipe. Here comes Batista. Got it.
Alongside Pauline Gaston.
Combination play again. Carlos Robles with coverage in the back row. Here comes Batista. Got it.
Wow.
Cherry from making necessary runs to get back into set number 2. Bicar, the reverse. Gaston is rejected by Carlos. Batista against 2 blockers. No problem. Second set. Short pass. Carlos. Batista, great defense. Robles. That one popped up by Bumabaw. This is going to be an off-system play. Really tight at the net. Easy pickup for Gaston. Gaston on the run. Gaston with a dump. Popped up. And sent over by Schwan. Another chance ball. Another shot. This one defended well again by the Cool Smashers. Carlos now with a hit. Nierva with great defense. Robles looking for the side out. Not there yet. Batista from the pipe. Got it. The run continues. It's a 1-point game. And an ace would be awesome right now for the Cherry EV crossovers. This one an overpass, and Batista puts it away. And right on cue, Schwan with 21 already. Another bad pass off a serve. Robles sending it over. This is a chance ball. Combination play. Bumabaw is rejected.
When you have tall blockers in the middle, you don't usually go to the combination play.
And then while for Batista, it is 22. Batista going for 21. Got it.
Every time